The Miracle Roots Red Alingatong nasa capsule na. Hatid ng GreenMed Pharma. Red Alingatong capsule is now FDA approved.
Ito ay mabisang gamot para sa UTI, renal failure, tumutulong mapababa ang creatinine, nakakatulong sa kidney problems, cancer problems, insomnia, almoranas, gallstone, constipation at diabetes.
Red Alingatong capsule. Mabibili na sa mga butika. The Miracle Roots Red Alingatong capsule. FDA approved.
Check the time. It's now 11:48 in the morning. Still AM. And the time check brought to you by Red Alingatong Capsule. Gagaling ka dito. Now available in the Subic Bay Freeport area, Olongapo, Bataan, and Zambales. Available nationwide. Available at your favorite drugstore. Red Alingatong Capsule.
Greetings. This is Kevin Gregg from Mississippi in the United States of America. You are tuned into DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
Coffee? Check. Shower? Check. The best morning show on the radio? Check. Start your mornings right.
Right here on 89.5 FM.
And welcome back to your favorite morning show, although it's mid-morning already. It's almost noon time. All right, welcome back. Time for some of the latest pieces of news and info once again. And ngayong ika-82, 82nd araw ng kagitingan, nag-alay si Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ng bulaklak sa Mount Samat National Shrine sa Bataan para sa mga sundalong lumaban sa World War II. All right? Kinidala ni PBBM, as we call him, of course, ang sakripisyo ng ating sandatahang lakas at siya'y nanawagan sa mga kaugnay na ahensya na pag-aralan ang separation benefits para sa mga veteranong nagtamo ng permanenteng kapansanan habang nasa tungkulin. Okay? All right? So that's a good proposal. That's a good proposition by the President. But if you ask me, itong mga veteranong to, kasi sabi sa huling part ng piece of news, veteranong nagtamo ng permanenteng kapansanan. If you ask me, nagtamo ng kapansanan o hindi, siguro let's give them the benefit na pare-pareho. Kasi may kapansanan man o hindi, matatanda na itong mga to eh. Di ba? Yung mga lumaban sa digmaan ng World War II. I saw the Jessica Soho report the other night about the veterans who fought in the World War II. Relative nga to this celebration of Day of Valor. Plus, the battle that happened in Korea kung saan tumulong ang mga Pilipino. Diba? Same year lang yun eh. Pare-pareho lang eh. Yung isa sa in-interview niya, 92 years old or 94 years old, I think. Alright, so there you have it. The latest piece of news from the PCO, Presidential Communications Office of Malacanang. And in addition to that, the Central Luzon Culinary Extravaganza is happening, of course. This is in partnership with the Department of Tourism Region 3, Office of the Central Luzon's Culinary Extravaganza. Okay, 2024. Honoring the Filipino Food Month. Ang buwan po ng Abril is Filipino Food Month. And every weekend, we have something special for you dito sa Subic Bay Freeport. With the participation, of course, of the different establishments, restaurants, and even hotels na nakikiparticipate sa pagsiselebra ng pagkaing Pilipino. Ayan, isa na nga itong Fusion Corner. Filipino Kakanin and Merienda Delights, April 12 to 14 ang ina-offer nila. Alright? So check it out. Fusion Corner is offering Filipino Kakanins and Merienda Delights in celebration of the Central Luzon Culinary Extravaganza, April 12 to 14. Sexy Legs Chicken, Ihaw Ningnang Grill Fiesta, April 19 to 21, and Grand Filipino Fiesta, April 26 to 28. 3 Points Bistro, Grand Filipino Fiesta, April 26 to 28. Jerry's Grill, Waterfront Road, Filipino Kakanin and Merienda Delights, Ihaw Ningnang Grill Fiesta, April 19 to 21. And Grand Filipino Fiesta, April 26 to 28. If you notice, puro yung mga weekend dates yun, ha? That's what we offer para sa inyo. Kaya tuwing weekend, you have something for summer dito sa Subic Bay Freeport. Okay? The Clubhouse Restaurant, SIGC, will be having the Grand Filipino Fiesta on April 26 to 28. Sands Resto and Grill, Ihaw Ningnang Grill Fiesta the whole month, ang sa kanila, whole month of April. Alright? Tepan 101, Filipino Kakanin and Merienda Delights, all weekends of April starting April 13. And Grand Filipino Fiesta, April 26 to 28. Yummy. Alam mo yung kakanin? Nagkikrave ako dyan, ano? Pagka narinig ko yung word na kakanin. Tayo mga Pilipino, naturally, we love kakanin, you know? Kaya marami sa ating diabetic. Too much carbs. Makimura Ramen. Ayan, Makimura. In English, go on sale. Go get a discount, Makimura. Makimura Ramen Bar is having the street food extravaganza April 5 to 7. Tapos na, no? This past weekend. This last weekend. And Filipino Kakanin and Merienda Delights April 12 to 14. April 19 to 21. Inihaw Ningnang Grill Fiesta, Grand Filipino Fiesta, April 26 to 28. Ayan, sa Makimura. Buddha's Bowl will be having Filipino Kakanin and Merienda Delights April 12 to 14. They also participated in the April 5 to 7 Street Food Extravaganza. Okay, so there you have it. The establishments that's participating in the Culinary Extravaganza. We're celebrating with the DOT, Department of Tourism Region 3, here in the Subic Bay Freeport. Again, they are Buddha's Bowl, Makimura, Tepan 101, Sands Grill and Resto Bar, SIGC, the Clubhouse Restaurant, Jerry's Grill, Waterfront Road, 3 Points Bistro at Travelers Hotel. Sa harap lang yan ng radio station. Sexy Legs Chicken, Fusion Corner. Yun yung mga nagpa-participate po. Ha? Okay, so tangkilikin natin. Let's support them. All right? And a couple more invites for you. Hindi lang yan ang invites natin. Meron pa para sa inyong lahat. Ayan. Okay, for the month of April. For summer, check out the Our Home at the third level of SM City Olongapo Central. Smack and Smack Prestige card holders are up an additional 10% off on all regular price and featured sale items from April 9 to 10 at SM City Olongapo Central's Our Home third level. Okay? So don't miss out on this opportunity and shop and save this holiday. Okay? Also avail of the 0% interest from 3 to 24 months with major credit cards. T&Cs apply. Terms and conditions, of course. Okay? And also open now is Mom's Ube and Triple Chocolate Champurrado. That's already self-explanatory. That will make your mouth water. Ube and Triple Chocolate Champurrado. Mio my. Bakit ba yung mga masasarap, yun yung mga bawal sa matataas ang blood sugar na tao, no? Spread the vibrant ube and creamy chocolate goodness today. Visit Mom's Ube and Chocolate Champurrado at the ground level of SM City Olongapo downtown today. Ground level, SM Downtown. Ay, dadaan ako sa downtown mamaya. Nako. Parang hirap na hindi dumaan, ano? Also, do check out the 3-day sale at SM City Olongapo Central. All right, April 19, 20, and 21. Okay, alam nyo na yan. Shop and get the chance to win a brand new Suzuki Desire GLMT. All right, so April 19, 20, and 21. Mark your calendars. 3-day sale at SM City Olongapo Central. Sa Central po ha, hindi sa downtown. Okay? Ayan. Also, Derm Care is inviting you to avail of the 30% off on all Derm Care services. Wow! 30% off all services. Treat exchange promo April 5 to 15. Hanggang 15 na lang ha. So you guys better hurry at SM City Olongapo Central. And Rangrangay San Narciso Fiesta Shopping Treats. Okay? You're invited to avail of the free drinks from Waves Coffee in San Narciso. Okay? So for every purchase, ipipresent nyo lang yung inyong receipt. Any purchases at SM City Olongapo Central Store, present it to Waves Coffee and you will get free drinks. Okay? At the Crystal Beach Resort. Doon po matatagpuan yung Waves Coffee Cafe. All right? And last day today of the Ace Hardware Long Weekend Sale, April 5 to 9, up to 40% off on selected items. And additional 10% off for 3,000 minimum spend. Just present your Ace Rewards card. Sayang din yung 10% off, ha? Okay? Kung 3,000 minimum spend, di 300 pesos din yun. Sayang yung 300 pesos, di ba? Check it out at Ace All right. Also, the Make SM your official summer hangout, of course. Because they have the most going on, like the summer deals and treats, summer market, Utopia, summer block party, and summer pet fair. Yung may mga fur babies dyan, dali nyo na doon, ha? Para makasali sa summer pet fair. And lastly, the Kabayan Day is happening every first Tuesday of the month. All right? 10% off para sa mga OFWs and their families on all SM affiliate stores like Ace Hardware, Miniso, Surplus, Watson's, Sports Central, ano ba, Game Park, SM Skating, SM Appliances, SM Store, SM Cinema, SM Bowling, and a whole lot more. Okay? Brought to you by BDO Remit and SM Supermalls, of course. Kabayan Day every first Tuesday of the month. Okay, so there you have it. The invites for you from SM City Olongapo Central and SM Downtown. Do check it out. Check them out. Visit their official social media pages. And here's our next song now. Requested song is from David Cook. This one's called Come Back to Me, 895 Subic Bay Radio.